APEM offers sealed and sealable toggle switches that provide the tactile, visible, and functional benefits of APEM's robust toggle switches and allow for easy cleaning and sanitization. APEM's 3500 and CT series have a robust design and are ideal for extreme environments, with sealing up to IP69K. The 2 series feature a roller mechanism that delivers smooth operation, and they're available with a wide range of lever and terminal options. Our 600H series is a cost-effective power toggle with options for an IP65 panel seal, or they can be fitted with boots for IP67 sealing. 600H series toggles offer current ratings up to 15 amps and are available with up to 4 poles. APEM 5000 series miniature toggle switches are highly customizable with a wide range of mechanical and electrical options. The versatile 5000 series miniature toggles can also be fitted with boots that provide IP67 sealing.